Key takeaways from the stupendous win of the NDA in Bihar. Now, keep in mind, this is not just an ordinary win. The halfway mark is so far back in the rear view mirror when you look at the final tally that it is astonishing. There is clearly something big going on here when you see a record vote in Bihar, a state that is very politically astute and does not go easy on its politicians. What you're going to see is the vote for Nitish Kumar. This election is a lot about Nitish Kumar. He will be becoming Chief Minister for the 10th time. At a time where there were so many questions about his health, his capabilities, etc. So even if this is a swan song for Nitish Kumar in his political journey, what a way to really build your legacy. This kind of a vote is a pro-incumbency vote. It's also shattered this idea that a high voter turnout, and it was 68% this time, is because you want to change the government. This is a full push for Nitish. This is also telling you that it's all calm on the central front. Whatever concerns, even if they were for a bit, are definitely not in place. The central government is very stable, the alliance is very stable, and the NDA is the big party in power. The grand old party is now the BJP in that sense. The third big factor here is the women's vote, and a lot has been said about this. Huge voter turnout from women, higher in absolute terms than the men who came out to vote, and it's being put down to the 10,000 rupees which was given to women of a certain section. But it is a bigger story than that. We've seen this in election after election, how the voice of the women voter is becoming louder. She's coming to the fore to ensure that a party comes into governance that will ensure her needs, her security, and her future. It's a tectonic shift in the Indian political landscape, and that's key to remember as well. The other factor to think of is what has happened to Jan Swaraj. Is Bihar ready for a new political party? Well, unfortunately for Prashant Kishore, it seems not really, because the idea was that he would dent either the MGB or the NDA. Nothing has been dented except his first attempt.